Welcome to Kids Can Cook, where kids can cook. Today we're going to be making homemade ghee. Fun fact, ghee has many health benefits and is good for people who are lactose intolerant because it doesn't have any lactose. Also, if you make homemade ghee, it is much cheaper than buying it at a supermarket where it's 2 to 3 times more expensive. Making ghee is very easy and only takes about 10 minutes. We will be using 1 pound of unsalted butter. In this episode, we will be using Strauss organic unsalted butter. This butter is divided into fourths, but it doesn't really matter whether it's divided or if it's whole. We will also be using 1 saucepan to melt the butter, 1 jar, 1 cheesecloth to filter the butter into the jar, and 1 rubber band to hold the cheesecloth onto the jar. The first step is to put the cheesecloth onto the jar. The next thing you want to do is unwrap your butter and put it into the saucepan. You want to make sure that all of the butter inside of the pot is flat on the bottom. Afterwards, you want to put your pot onto a stove on medium-high flame until the butter melts and starts to boil. You want to put the flame onto medium-high and then just let it boil. Once the ghee is boiling, just like right now, you want to reduce the flame to medium. The foam will eventually wind up disappearing, and you want to wait until 2 of the foams disappear. This foam will disappear, but it'll reappear, and that's how you know when it's done. Also, when it's done, just turn the flame off. It is now starting to disappear. The second foam came up on the first foam. I have no idea how this happened, but you're gonna want to wait until the second foam comes when the first foam disappears. Now that the second foam came, you want to turn off the flame and put it inside the jar. As you can see, the ghee is a nice golden brown color. This is the exact color you want the ghee to turn out with. In a future video, I'm going to be making cookies made with ghee instead of butter. I'm very sorry I wasn't able to post any videos in the past couple weeks. The reason is because I had swollen eyes because of allergies. Now I'm feeling perfect, and now I can record. Also ring that notification bell for upcoming videos.